Pole dancing takes strength and endurance and stamina. It has such a wonderful, open atmosphere in terms of what you can bring to it. I am a proud queer professional pole dancer and performance artist. Pole dancing is both everything and nothing you expect it to be. As a boy, you have so many different sorts of rigid expectations put on you. I became very withdrawn. I was a very lonely child. The pole dance, that was something that was really therapeutic for me to recreate something that I thought was beautiful and I loved, even if the world didn't appreciate me for the beauty that I thought I possessed. Usually before a performance, I will definitely love a good contour. Sometimes I just feel like having a soft glam look, but if it's a show that requires a certain theme, I will go all out and paint myself to the nines. When I wear makeup, it allows me to feel my fantasy in the fullest capacity that I can possibly have it. When I walk into Sephora, I usually feel a lot of sense of community, and it's really wonderful to see how inclusionary a lot of the employees are. I can strike up a conversation with anyone. I think everyone deserves to have a seat at the table and claim beauty for themselves. I grew up in a sort of traditional Mexican-American family. It was a very difficult time to explore any sort of non-normative sexuality, particularly as a feminine gay person. Machismo is a thing that exists primarily throughout a lot of Hispanic households. There was a clear moment where my second grade teacher pulled my mom behind a closed door. I heard her discuss how concerned she was, and I quickly grew a lot of insecurity within myself, knowing that it wasn't just the kids around me who had issue with what I was, but it was the adults who were supposed to be mentors and guides. At the same time I was dealing with my queerness, I was also dealing with the fact that I was very insecure in how my body looked. I was named and labeled everything: sissy, scrawny. After high school, I went ahead and left my hometown, and from that point on, I learned so many things, finding a community of people who were like-minded, and I discovered pole dance. My coworker showed me this video online of this Ukrainian pole dancer on a talent show. She performed the most incredible feat of athleticism, sensuality, and confidence. After seeing that, I knew that was something I was missing in my life, and that was everything that I wanted to be. I've never been an athlete, but 1 week later, after 3 hours of this intensive pole session, my hands were completely scrubbed raw, and I did not care because I wanted to keep dancing on that pole. When I dance on the pole, I feel affirmed in everything that I am. It really is a validation of everything that I could have wanted to be, and kind of all the struggle I went through as a little boy. I would tell my younger self that no matter what came your way, there is nothing you cannot do.